Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Meraki. Today I will unbox and review the Bling Bag February 2019 edition, which is themed as Fab Love. As most of you already know, it's priced at $14.99 per month including shipping, but if you go for longer subscriptions, of course it will be a little bit cheaper. And this month I have a special coupon code for you all. You can use the code SONAMFB to get a free bling in your bling bag. That means you'll get an additional piece of jewelry apart from the ones that will already be there in the regular February subscription box. Plus you can use the code SONAM10 to get additional 10% off on the Bling Boutique. So if you buy any individual jewelry piece, you can get a 10% off. Now without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box looks like. As always, really beautiful, girly and pretty with all the floral pattern. It says Bling Bag, monthly bag of boutique jewelry. Welcome to Bling Bag family. And once we open, here is the card. The Fab Love Bling Bag, and there is a coupon code for March here. You can get 100 rupees off, and here is all the info about this curation and this edition in particular. The bag has come bubble wrapped. So this is how the pouch this month looks like. Everything has come inside this. It's a beautiful and colorful neonish pouch, very funky and yet very good quality. It's quite a nice pouch, semi-transparent, so you can use it to keep your makeup items or your craft items. It will be easy to find them. All the blings have come inside these mesh pouches, colorful mesh pouches. And we also have a handle for this pouch which you can attach this side like this. Now moving on to the individual jewelry pieces. The first one is worth 899 rupees individually. Oh wow, and this is how the beautiful pendant necklace looks like. I love the chain quality of Bling Bag jewelry as well. They're of extremely good quality like you see in branded jewelry, and the color of their chains is like something different. It's not golden, it's not even rusted golden. They are of really good quality and thin chains. And I love the pendant this time too. It's really classy and sophisticated. It looks so nice, like a proper statement piece while being sophisticated. So I really love this. The quality, of course guys, is amazing. It's really good. I cannot wait to wear this. So happy with this one. And next we have a pair of earrings. These are worth 699 rupees, and this is how they look. I absolutely love them. The stone quality, the design, it's dainty and so classy. These are like timeless patterns. They will be in trend always and forever, so I really like it. It has a lot of weight guys because it's of extremely good quality. Again, you cannot compare this with any of the jewelry you get in affordable subscription boxes. So again, quite happy with this. Then next we have these long earrings in heart shape. These are worth 899 again, and that is how they look. Perfect for your Valentine Day date. They are so stylish and yet so lightweight and so classy. You can just pair them with any single piece dress, suit, like anything girly. They will just amp up your look. I really like this. Again, the hearts are not in proper shape and that makes it look even better. Again, beautiful pair of earrings. And finally we have another pair of cute earrings. This is worth 699 individually, and that is how they look. I am so mesmerized with this one. I love these triangle kind of designs. They look so cute and so nice. You can wear this with your office wear also, and you can go to office, and even for formal occasions you can wear this, and even this one. These two will go with formal occasions as well, and I really like them. Guys, I like more of classy and dainty jewelry rather than chunky pieces, and this is exactly my style. Bling Box is one of those boxes which actually checks your style preferences and what kind of jewelry you like, and they curate the box as per your preferences. And these are definitely some things that I like personally. a lot. So if you're not someone who likes these, then you can choose your profile accordingly and you'll get the jewelry pieces or the blinks as per your preference. I will surely be wearing all of this. I love them, and you guys will be getting another piece of jewelry, the fifth piece of jewelry apart from the four as per your preference, by using the code SonamFB as I told before. So I think this edition is really good. I will definitely recommend it. You guys will think that even affordable jewelry subscription boxes for 400 or 500 rupees send 4 to 5 pieces of jewelry, but guys, that is not at all comparable to what you get in bling bag. When you wear these, people will know that this is not something that you have bought from a street side store, and these jewelry pieces have a different design and pattern. You will not see a lot of copies of this exact pattern, and even if you see the same pattern somewhere on online website, they are like first copies, guys. They are not of this quality. I have used bling bag jewelry for some time now, and I always go back to them. Like, honestly, I do not wear most of the jewelry that I get in affordable boxes. I only pick a few and keep for myself, which I really like or which matches with my outfit. So I only wear them occasionally. But bling bag jewelry is something that I have worn the most so far. I really feel good when I wear them, and they are very long lasting as well. They are quite durable. I have not had any of my bling bag jewelry broken after wearing it for a couple of times. Color does not wear off just after a few uses, and they don't look old after using a few times. They look quite good if you take care of them and keep them well. So these are a different genre or category of jewelry. So do not compare this with boxes which are affordably priced. They are something different, and this is something different. If you're someone who buys from Accessorize or even those malls like Shoppers Stop, Central, you know that each piece of jewelry individually costs 400-500 rupees at least. So this is that kind of jewelry. Accessorize, in fact, you will have everything around 1000 rupees. So getting all of this of that quality in a price tag of 14.99 does make sense. You're getting 5 pieces of jewelry at around 1500 rupees, so around 300 rupees each, and it will be style customized as per your preferences. It will not be the exact same pieces that I have received. You will be getting some things that you like as you choose in your styling section. So I am definitely happy to get this month's bling bag. If you guys liked it and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. Make sure you check it out, and you also have the discount code mentioned, so use it to get a free piece of jewelry. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.